Are DJs doomed? Oh my lord, I'm hearing even my colleagues ask that question, not just regular people. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks again to my sponsors like Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, Perfect Portals, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So, are they doomed? Well, I don't know. The things that I hear from people is, with AI now, we're not going to have DJs. I mean, Spotify's pretty good right now. I mean, I could look at Spotify and choose the songs I want in the order that I want them. And then I set a little something on the thing, and all of a sudden it's doing as good as any DJ. Well, yeah, well, a lot of our clients or potential clients, they're thinking like that. Why? Because of YouTube University, and because the world is making it easier and easier to get the kind of things that they think that they want. They are still seeing us as music providers. Okay, so if all you're going to do is provide music, amplified music, then you might have the best equipment, and you might be able to get speakers that are louder, and if all they really want from you is the same thing a Spotify list is, then yeah, maybe things are doomed for you. But I don't really believe that. The one thing that I don't think they're going to be able to replicate very soon, at least on artificial intelligence, is you. You're the personality they've decided to put in charge of their day. They don't just want anybody to play their music, or they would get Spotify. Okay, they're talking to you, and they already know that they can do their own playlist on their own computer and get their own speakers, but they're talking to you. And the one thing that you have that they can't buy is you. In other words, they can't just download you, right? They just can't go get you for free anywhere. You are a personality, a human being, a person with a mind, somebody who cares about their craft and about the work that they do for the people they do it for. Your personality. And if it comes down to it, if you really think about it, that's really the thing that's going to move you forward in this industry anyway. If you're not already out there not talking about the stuff that you bring and the things that you play, the vibe that you'll create, then you should start moving that direction. Because any DJ can say that they can do all the things that you say that you can do. Anyone. A DJ that starts tomorrow can say they can do. They might not be able to do it well, but they say they can. And that puts you in a level of, well, I guess if all they're doing is just providing the music thing, then maybe I could just do it for free. I agree. Okay. They're not going to get what you provide. It's not going to be as good. I really agree, but do they? So if they're talking to you, are they really talking to you because they just want you in charge of pushing play on the song list that they have already put into a Spotify list that nowadays they just send to you? Say, here's my list of music. They don't know, because you know how DJing works. Okay, you play a song, and if it works, you kind of move with that. You need to be able to move with the audience and move with the crowd, and that's what they're paying you to do. Whether they think that's true or not, we make it look easy. It doesn't necessarily make it easy for us to explain to them why it is not as easy as getting speakers and music. But it can be if you're selling you. You are a unique individual that cares about your craft, that cares about what you do, that cares about the music they're playing, and most importantly, that cares about the person that's hiring you. Trust me, there's a lot of people out there that are not necessarily caring for their clients. And if you show up in a way that shows that you're caring for your clients, in a way that shows off who you really are, an authentic person who's fun to be around and charming and nice, somebody that's likable. You can be likable, right? I mean, that's why you're in this, isn't it? Because you like being likable? So be likable. Get people to know you. Because if you say you're a DJ, they already know that you do all this stuff. Now, do they like the guy? And do they think the guy likes them? That's my take. right now. This is about as much as I can give you in about 5 minutes. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.